everyone. Thank you for tuning in. Today's recipe, I will show you how to make the most delicious egusi soup without frying it. I am Rosie. You are welcome to my kitchen. Ingredients, I will be using goat meat, stockfish, dried fish, snails, shrimps, the chairman of the occasion, egusi, which is also known as melon seed, bell peppers, long peppers, scotch bonnets, onions, vegetable. I'm using collard greens. You can use any vegetable of your choice, crayfish, locust beans, seasoned cube, salt, red palm oil. To begin, I will add salt to the stockfish, hot water. I'll be leaving it to soak for some time. You can also leave the stockfish to soak overnight. That will help to soften it as well. Next, I will transfer the goat meat inside the pot. I'll add salt, seasoned cube, diced onions, diced pepper. I will stir, and I will be steam cooking the goat meat on medium to low heat, and I will not be adding any water at this point. The goat meat is be steam cooking now for about 10 minutes, and the meat has started to produce its own water, as you can see. If you like your stockfish to be very soft, you can add the stockfish at this point. I will add some water to the goat meat, cover and leave it to cook. Over here, I have the bell peppers, onions. They are clean already. I'll transfer them inside the blender, and I'm going to blend until it is nice and smooth. So the bell peppers, I took out the seed from the bell peppers. That is done. So next, to the goat meat, I will add in the stockfish at this point. The goat meat is not yet done. It's just halfway done. So I will add the blended pepper mix, add the locust beans, add some more water, and I'll stir. I'll cover and cook until they are ready. Next, in a blender, I'll add in the egusi, I will add the crayfish. I'll be blending them dry without adding water. Egusi can be blended with water as well, but because I want the paste to be thick, I will not be adding water at this point, and that is done. So next, I have onions and a little bit of water. I will blend that until it is smooth, and that is done. So here is the blended egusi, and to that I'll add salt to taste and add the blended onions. I'll mix it until it is well combined. So the onions is going to make the egusi to form lumps. So this is the consistency I am going for. That's why I did not blend it with water earlier on, because I want to be able to control the consistency. So next, the goat meat and the stockfish, they are almost ready. Now I'll add in the snails and the dried fish. and a little bit of red palm oil. I don't want too much oil in the soup. Egusi contains oil as well. So I will stir it together. Next, I'll cut the egusi paste inside the soup like so. I want the egusi soup to be lumpy, so I am creating the base for that. So I'll be repeating this process until all of the egusi paste is inside the pot. Next, I'll rinse the bowl with some water and add it to it. I'll cover it and leave it to cook. While that is cooking, I'll go ahead to cut the collard green. I'll take that off the stem. The stem, I don't use the stem, it's very hard. You can also use any vegetable of your choice for egusi, or any vegetable that is available where you live. And these vegetables are nicely washed already. I always wash vegetables before I start cutting it to prevent losing some of the nutrient while washing it after it's been sliced. And that is done. So next, the egusi is be cooking now for about 15 minutes. And at this point, the lumps has formed. So I'm just going to use the spoon to break it a little bit, just the way I like. If you want it very lumpy, you can leave it like so. So for egusi soup, you want to cook it for at least 25 minutes. If you don't cook your egusi very well, it's going to upset the stomach. So next, I will add the blended crayfish. I will add the shrimps and stir. Shrimps, they don't take time to cook. I'll cover and leave it to cook for another 15 minutes until the shrimps are ready. It's been 15 minutes. I will add some diced peppers. Add the vegetables. Stir to combine everything together. At this point, it smells amazing. I wish you guys can perceive the delicious aroma coming out of my kitchen. This soup was very, very delicious. My kids, they call egusi soup beautiful soup. That is what they call it, beautiful soup. If you make this soup for your husband, then he will just hand his bank account over to you, because this soup was just too delicious. Once the vegetables are in there, I just turn off the heat. So this is the consistency I like, not too thick and not too watery, and the soup is ready. You all bring your plates. You can enjoy egusi soup with any swallow of your choice. If you enjoyed this video, please give the video a thumbs up, share the video, follow me if you are not already. It's time to mukbang. I'm gonna be having it with gari. I have not had gari for years and I enjoyed it with this soup. It was very, very delicious. Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed. I will see you in my next video. Bye.